Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Rar Zip Packing or Unpacking app on Oppo A17. And to do this we'll need to start our Google Play Store. Here try to find app called Rar. It's RAR, hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now grant all file access to the app and go back. Dismiss this notification and the app will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.